Want to rank your affiliate site on Google without hiring expensive SEO experts or spending hours writing content? In this video, I'll show you how to use AI tools to get your content on page 1 of Google, even if you're just starting out. Why traditional SEO is dead. Traditional SEO methods, slow blog posts, over-optimized keywords, and outdated link building are on life support in 2025. What's working now? AI-driven SEO that's smart, fast, and focused on user intent. Google's algorithm is now rewarding high-quality, topic-clustered content, semantic keyword usage, and time-on-page engagement, which AI can help optimize fast. Tools you need to rank with AI. Let's talk about the AI toolkit you'll need to rank affiliate content. ChatGPT. Use it to generate article outlines, FAQs, and meta descriptions. SurferSEO. It shows you exactly what your blog post needs to rank: keyword density, word count, and LSI terms. NeuronWriter, a more affordable SEO writer that scores your content live while you type. Uber Suggest plus Answer the Public. Use AI features to research real questions your audience is searching for. These tools help you write faster, rank higher, and outsmart the competition. Step-by-step AI SEO blog workflow. Ask ChatGPT. Give me 20 low-competition keywords in the health supplements niche with buyer intent. Validate those keywords using Uber Suggest. Step 2. Create a topic cluster. Instead of one blog post, aim for 5-7 articles covering subtopics. Example: Best probiotics for women over 40. How probiotics affect gut health. Step 3. Generate content with SEO Score. Use SurferSEO or NeuronWriter to guide your writing. Then prompt ChatGPT to generate content like: write a 1-200-word article targeting best probiotics for women using the following outline and SEO terms. Step 4. On-page optimization. Add internal links between your topic cluster posts as AI-generated meta tags, headings, and alt text. Don't forget to add affiliate CTAs. Calls to action. Step 5. Publish plus index. Fast. Use Rank Math or Yoast plugins for SEO if you're on WordPress. Then, submit to Google Search Console to get indexed fast. Real results case study. Want my exact AI SEO workflow, including prompts, tools, and blog templates? Grab the free checklist linked in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you're serious about building traffic and commissions the smart way in Twitter.